Would you believe me if I told you that concrete could heal itself just like human skin? Imagine roads, bridges, buildings that could repair their own cracks. Sounds crazy, right? Well, stick around, we'll discuss this today. Well, cracks in the concrete are bound to happen in the long run. Fixing them costs a lot of money and can even be risky. But what if we could stop this damage right from the beginning, or before it could get worse? So that's where self-healing concrete comes into picture. A new technology that can change the way we build forever. This is not a regular concrete. Inside it, there are tiny capsules filled with a special chemical or a special bacteria. The moment a crack forms and water enters, these tiny bacteria, they wake up and start fixing the cracks on their own. In the process, when the bacteria comes in contact with moisture, they start producing limestone, and that seals the gap naturally. This innovation means buildings can repair themselves without any human intervention. Imagine roads that never needs repairing, bridges that stay strong for hundreds of years, and buildings that don't get damaged easily. This will save a huge amount of money on repairs and make our cities safer and stronger for the future. So there's another big benefit here, reducing our carbon footprint. So traditional concrete production is responsible for nearly 8% of the CO2 emission. Plus, every time we repair or rebuild, it adds to the problem. But with self-healing concrete, we won't need repairs frequently, which means minimum waste, minimum energy use, and minimum pollution. So imagine a whole city made with self-healing concrete, strong, eco-friendly, and built to last for generations. Sounds fascinating to me. So here's the exciting part. Self-healing concrete isn't just one type. Scientists are trying different methods like special material that expand and contract on their own to bio-based solution that mimics nature's way of healing. There are so many possibilities for the future. Now the big question is, when will this become common and when do we get to experience it? So right now, the technology is at a very initial stage, and the self-healing concrete is more expensive than your regular concrete, but scientists are working on it to making it cheaper. So very soon we might see cities built with concrete that repairs itself and never breaks down or never breaks easily. So what do you think? Will self-healing concrete be the future of our cities? How soon do you think it will be a reality? Tell us in the comments. On that note, we've come to the end of the video. Well, stay in touch and I will see you in the next one.